What if I told you you can build a full marketing agency in 2026 without hiring a team, without renting an office, and without burning out? Today, I'm breaking down the exact AI core stack you need to run an agency like a machine, from getting leads, to closing deals, to delivering content, to reporting results. This is your AI-powered agency in a box. Let's get into it. Step 1. Lead generation, the fuel. First, you need clients. That's where Apollo.io and Lusha come in. These platforms give you verified emails, phone numbers, and company data. You can filter by industry, company size, revenue, job title, everything. No more guessing, no more random messages. You build targeted lead lists in minutes. Leads are the fuel. Without them, no agency. Step 2. Outreach automation, conversations at scale. Next, you need outreach. Tools like Expandi automate LinkedIn prospecting while keeping it personalized. You combine this with AI-written messages, and suddenly you're having 50 conversations per week. Without manually typing every message, this is where AI multiplies your effort. Step 3. CRM and closing, turning leads into revenue. Now once leads reply, you manage everything inside HubSpot. HubSpot's AI tools help you score leads, automate follow-ups, track deal stages, forecast revenue, add Calendly for frictionless booking, and your sales process becomes seamless. No chasing, no back-and-forth emails, just booked calls. Step 4. Proposals that close. When it's time to send proposals, you combine AI writing tools with Betterproposals. You generate scope of work, deliverables, pricing breakdown, timelines in minutes. Professional, branded, trackable, and you can see when clients open them. That's leverage. Step 5. Content production, the delivery engine. Now we move into service delivery. For copy and SEO strategy, you use Jasper Surfer SEO. Jasper handles blog posts, email campaigns, ad copy, landing pages. Surfer ensures it ranks. Content that doesn't rank doesn't matter. This combo handles both creation and optimization. Step 6. Visual branding and creatives. For design, you combine Midjourney and Canva. Midjourney creates high-end visuals. Canva turns them into social posts. Add creatives, thumbnails, brand kits, agency-level graphics, without hiring a designer. Step 7. Video. High-converting content. Video wins in 2026. Use HeyGen for AI spokesperson videos. And Runway for cinematic AI visuals and editing. Product demos, explicable videos, paid ads, course modules, all created fast. Video is no longer expensive, it's scalable. Step 8. Reporting and analytics. Prove the results. To retain clients, you must prove ROI. That's where Supermetrics and Google Analytics come in. Automated dashboards, cross-platform reports, real-time data. Clients don't stay for effort, they stay for measurable growth. Now last but not the least, Step 9. Automation, the invisible team. Finally, glue everything together using Zapier. Zapier connects Apollo to HubSpot, Calendly to CRM forms, to email sequences, reporting to Slack. You remove manual work, you remove errors, you scale. The real advantage in 2026 is not using one AI tool, it's orchestrating them. This stack lets one person operate like a 10-person agency. And when you package it properly, you can charge up to thousands of dollars per month because you're selling growth, not posts. Artificial intelligence won't replace marketers, but marketers using AI will replace those who don't. Build your stack, automate your systems, sell outcomes. This is how you build a modern agency in 2026. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please help us to like the video and subscribe for more.